In this video, we're going to learn about additional information that you can collect on your actual vendor. When you're going in to edit the vendor, when we look at account settings, you're going to see three drop-down menus. The purpose of this is that you can actually look at and say, for Dago Lighting, we're going to have job materials. Everything that we purchase from Dago Lighting is going to go to job materials. So therefore what happens in that instance is that anytime you receive a bill in or you're actually posting a credit card charge, then what's going to happen is that you're going to have job materials pop up automatically. You're not going to have to think about it. You can even have multiple, up to 3 different types. So you can have job materials, you can have subcontractors, you can have freight and delivery. So every time when you're looking at Dago Lighting and you're entering into something, then all 3 options will appear before you, and you can simply just not utilize 1 or 2 of them, or you can just go ahead and leave them in there. Or in this instance, we're going to clear all, and so therefore we're starting from scratch. On the additional information tab, what we have is a vendor type. Some companies prefer to know what types of vendors that they have. Are they a consultant? Is it strictly for equipment? Is it strictly for materials, permits, etc.? Also, you have the ability to do custom fields. In this field, we have a discount available. So therefore, if you want to look at putting other information in there, you have that option. All you have to do is click on the define fields, and you can say, in this example, the customer has a contract number. Does the vendor offer you discounts? Are you looking to track the birthday? You can track every single one in a customer or a vendor or an employee. All you have to simply do is put the information in here under the label, check which center that you want it, and then you'll be good to go. Click on OK. And for more videos such as this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.